Hi guys, it's Kristin with ATTN, and it's Froggy Friday. Froggy Friday is a collaboration that we do every week, and it is hosted by Lisa, Girl in the Garage, Karen at the Dragon's Cave, Lula at Nerd Goblin Art, and assisted by Tim at the Base Resonator and Gert at Gert Creates. I will put the playlist in the description below, so be sure to watch all of the wonderful and amazing creations. It's not just resin. It could be eco powder. It could be a drawing, watercolor, you name it, and it's been done. Every type of medium that you could possibly make. This, however, is the handmade crown frog mold from IntoResin. So I got all three of their newer froggy molds. So what I'm going to do on this one is I am going to mix up just a smidge of probably about 30 mils of Let's Resin Fast Cure. And into it, I am going to put this silver reflection holographic additive from Resin Rockers, and then this silver from Finnabair into the resin, and then try and carefully pour it just into his crown. Yeah, good luck with that, right? So I will be back when I have the resin mixed up. Okay, so I have the Fast Cure resin, and I put it in this little itty bitty espresso cup because I want to be able to, like pour it in there without getting it anywhere else, which is not going to work. Oh, now I need to get all the rest of that out of there. So I can see where it's at on this side without sticking my head under the camera. Okay, so now I'm going to take a Q-tip just gently get rid of all of that, you know, the little dribbles. Okay, I think I got them all, but you know, we won't know for sure till it's time for demold once I get the rest of it poured. Okay, so I mixed up I think it's 200 mils of Let's Resin 1-to-1. And I'm just going to let it run down. So it doesn't make any bubbles, because I did run this through my Let's Resin debubbler. Okay, let's pour the rest of it. Okay, so I'm thinking that this takes about the same amount as the standard Froggy. Maybe a little bit more, given the fact that I had already filled up the crown. Okay. I will figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of this, and I'll be back with you in a bit. Okay, guys, it is time for demold. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Lord, this thing's stuck. But yeah, see these. That's why it ruins your silicone mat right there. Oh, Lord. Okay, this is oh snap. All right. All right. Ta-da! Okay, so clearly I didn't squidgy widgy this enough, unless they are stuck in there. Yep, they are. So there must have been a bubble between this piece and that piece. Well, I am just gutted. And I am wondering, because there's no way in hell to get this thing to get these things out. Oh. All right, so yeah, there was a huge bubble. Oh, I am so upset. My froggy crown prince. Okay, so we're just gonna go with it. I don't know how to rebuild that, but he's just gonna be I don't know, the stepbrother to the king? I don't know. Poor buddy. All right, well, I'm gonna do his eyes anyway. let me get my markers. What color do I want his eyes? Okay, let's see. What color do we want his... Oh, God, that purple is gorgeous, but not appropriate for eyes. All right, here's the black. And... Okay, I'm just going to take the black and the white because I'm going to do his eyes black and then... Oh, actually, no. Aren't they usually yellow? Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I like that better. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a second and finish his eye. Okay, where's the little, no, I don't want that one. Alrighty, I'm just going to put a little UV resin on there to hold that down. Where's my little pokey tool? All right, so now his eyes have been done. And he is going to be the Broken Crown Prince. Maybe he was in a tussle and somebody broke his crown. So I will do my glamour shots. And in the meantime, if you guys could do me a favor and subscribe, like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Maybe give me some pointers because this So not sure if you can see how deep that is, but like trying to squidgy widgy is extremely difficult. So I thought I had done that, but apparently not good enough because I only got 2 points. Anywho, I'll put the QR codes up for the Buy Me a Coffee and the subscribe to YouTube link, and I will see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.